How to recover Cash App account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get or recover your Cash App account. Now if you want to recover your Cash App account or closed account back, then the only way is to contact the customer support. Now based on your reason, you'll have to call the customer support there, and only then you'll be able to reopen your closed Cash App account. Now here I'll just search Cash App account recovery here, and once you do so, it'll give you various numbers. Now you can see helpline desk. You can head into these links and you can get the particular helpline number depending on your reason, and from there you'll be able to recover your Cash App account once you call them directly. This is the only way now you can recover your Cash App account. So at the search page here, if you scroll down below, you can see the official Cash App page there, Cash App link, and you can see under it, you can see the access old account. You want to simply tap on it and there you can log into your account. Now in my case, this isn't available in my region, so it won't load up, but if you do so, you'll be able to recover your Cash App account. You want to enter in your Cash App details and sign into your account. So this way you can recover your Cash App account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.